Hey guys, Harrison here from Tool Talk, and today on Tool Talk TV, we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Wiha LED work light. Before I open this up though, please remember I am not a trades professional, so I'll just literally be looking at what is in the box. With that out of the way, let's get into it. Okay, so I tried opening this prior to recording to make it a little bit easier on myself, so I'm just going to try and reopen it. It seems that this German engineering seems to have resealed itself. That's how good this build quality apparently is. One thing I will say with Wiha products is the boxes are premium. Got a very Apple-esque feel to them, and the glue, the adhesives, top notch. Okay, let's go. Very clean. Bubble wrap, who doesn't love bubble wrap? Okay, so let's move the box out of the way for a second. Okay, so we have the LED work light. Let's double check what's in here. I assume, okay, so we've got a USB-A to micro USB charger, no plug, just the cable, who doesn't have a USB socket. And then user guide. Okay, so let's take a look at the light. So we've got a rubber bumper around the outside, so I would assume this is quite rugged, or at least can stand a few tumbles, because we've all, I imagine, dropped stuff on site before. I know I have with camera gear. Where do we turn this on? Here we go. See how bright this is. Okay, so 3 settings. We've got off, on, really on. That's really bright as well, actually. These lights in the studio are bright, but this is really bright. On the back, we've got our power level. I imagine that goes down. I actually think I saw that in the instruction manual. That's why you shouldn't throw instructions away. If we consult the user guide, evidence of a man reading instructions, guys. Yep, so we've got battery power indicators and charge status. Perfect. Exactly what you would expect. Plug this bad boy in, the lights will flash and show you percentage. We've got our power in here, power in the back. Plug that in. Simple, as you would expect with any USB charged device. It's light, feels robust. Also got some magnets on this, so this is an adjustable stand. One thing I've noticed, so not only have we got magnets on the bottom, we've also got looks like a 1/4 inch thread on the bottom. So if you've got a tripod of any kind already, you can screw that in. Imagine we're on site and we've got a random stool nearby with metal legs. Oh, perfect. It's really strong as well, because there's 3 magnets and it's just on the one, so it can hold its own weight on one magnet. Might ask the boss if I can get one of these myself. Okay guys, so that is the Wiha LED work light. It's great for sticking on any metal objects. It's adjustable stand, so it's great in tight spaces. Lightweight, you can put it in something like a service bag for a heating engineer, for example. Rechargeable, so you're not having to forever find AA's or AAA's or anything like that. You charge it in your van because you'll have a USB socket. You've already got the cable. So a great little LED light, rub around the edges for a bit more robustness. It's got metal bars on the front. It actually feels like a pretty solid unit as well. Like no flex in it whatsoever. Spot on, guys. Magnetic stand, like I say, 1/4 inch thread if you've got a tripod. Mint. So that is the Wiha LED work light. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on more unboxings, product reviews from our Testers Club, product demos with brands, and much more. If you're not already part of Tool Talk, where you can save money on the tools you love, click the link in the description, download the app, and join Tool Talk for free today.